idioms today.
Idioms. Exemplos.
Tell him to hang on for a couple of hours. They're always finding faults with his girlfriend. Please come in and take a seat. They decided to talk over their problem. I mixed up your names. Tom went with Gina before he met Liz. When the boss is away, James takes over the company. The black frame sets off the blue color inside. He likes to watch a movie now and then. Stop crying over spilled milk. I heard that he quit his job, but it was a false alarm. She felt for the people starving in Africa. I feel it in my bones that something terrible is going to happen. I had to catch up with my class. The storm damaged the phone line, so I can't get through to my parents' house.